Hello, I'm Matthew Fraiberg from the law firm of Fraiberg Pernie, criminal defense lawyers. If you've just been pulled over for a suspected OWI in Oakland County, Michigan, stay calm. The first few minutes of a traffic stop can have a significant impact on what happens next. First, safely pull your vehicle over as soon as possible. Turn off the engine, keep your hands where the officer can see them, and avoid making sudden movements. When asked, provide your driver's license, vehicle registration, and proof of insurance. Be polite and respectful throughout the encounter. If the officer asks whether you've been drinking, remember that you have the right to remain silent. You are not required to answer questions about where you've been, what you've had to drink, or how much alcohol you consumed. The officer may ask you to perform field sobriety tests. These roadside tests are used as part of the officer's investigation and can become evidence in your case. If you are arrested, Michigan's implied consent law generally requires compliance with an evidentiary chemical test requested after a lawful arrest. Refusing that post-arrest test can result in separate administrative consequences in addition to the criminal case. If you are arrested, do not argue with the officer or resist. Comply with lawful instructions and contact an experienced Michigan OWI Defense attorney as soon as possible. Oakland County has a reputation for aggressively prosecuting OWI cases. Courts often impose strict bond conditions, alcohol testing, counseling requirements, and intensive probation supervision. However, an arrest does not mean your life is ruined. Every OWI case should be carefully reviewed for issues involving the legality of the traffic stop, field sobriety testing, breath or blood testing procedures, constitutional protections, and the strength of the prosecution's evidence. The sooner an attorney becomes involved, the sooner important evidence can be preserved and strategic decisions can be made. If you've been arrested for an OWI in Oakland County or anywhere in Michigan, contact Fraiberg Pernie for a confidential consultation. I'm Matthew Fraiberg. Thank you for watching, and please stay safe.